Okay, guys, that concludes the first 7 minutes of class. If there's any questions? No? No questions? Okay, why don't you take a break for about 30 minutes?
Forgive me, Father, for I have sinned. It's been 2 pocket empties of money since my last confession. Yeah, it's the 3rd time I took that money. Cause honestly, I don't even understand why that dumb goes out to the snack machine every day. She skips out of the classroom saying shit like, "Oh my god, I gotta go to the vending machine during break. Chocolate chip cookies are my favoriteest." Please, you don't need that shit. She drops all her shit out of her pocket. Just leaves it there. She deserves to lose that money. That's why I picked it up. I don't even understand why y'all are so mad. I ain't even mad.